Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Reza Fikrata Putra. I am the project manager of Smart Showroom Songket application. And stay tuned.
Hello, my name is Aina Maliona. You can call me Aina. I'm UI UX designer with a background electrical engineering from Andalas University.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman. You can call me Fatur, and I am the front-end developer in this project. And my background is from mechanical engineering major.
Hello, my name is Andre Pascal Gautam. I'm a student at Andalas University majoring in electrical engineering.
Okay, did you know application is you really often to find application except in your Android or something. And what is application? Based on Setiawan said that application is a ready to use program which is have their own function even for their own application or to have another application. To make Smart Showroom Songket application, there are 6 of stage. The first one we need to make UI UX design, and after that we make the backend, the front end, and also we do the augmented reality integration, artificial intelligence integration, and we do unit testing, and the last one we do evaluations.
UI UX design is created using the user-centered design methods with the Figma application. This process shows the application interface and feature based on specific needs. Naturally, these features are tailored to requirements of the individual.
After UI UX is created, the next process is the front-end developing and back-end developing. The front-end itself is the process of building applications that have good performance, are easily accessible, and have an attractive appearance. Meanwhile, the back-end itself is the creation of parts that are not seen by the application users. The back-end deals with the data behind the screen. The back-end is also responsible for storing and organizing data. It all aims to support the front-end application to work according to its function and ensure that all design features on UI UX works and there are no problems. After the application is designed and built, the next step is to integrate augmented reality to enhance the features needed by the UMKM Indojalito. Augmented reality is a technology that is able to combine 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional virtual object into a real environment and then display them or project them in real time. Augmented reality itself will be useful for displaying visualization of products that are on the user's person. Simply put, augmented reality works like a product filter that is attached to the user's body.
To enhance other features, integration with new technology, namely artificial intelligence, is required. Artificial intelligence is a medium for understanding and modeling human thoughts process and designing machines to mimic human behaviors. This integration of artificial intelligence is useful for processing data provided by application users, such as changing a product or the color of a product. This data is then processed and collected so that UMKM Indojalito can produce accurately without incurring losses. After the development and integration of the application, the next step is unit testing. Unit testing involves testing the functionality and evaluating the implementation of the application. The goal is to ensure the application can be implemented and meets the partner requirement effectively.
Welcome to our program. Our journey starts about more than 80 kilometers from Andalas University on West Sumatra. Here we are, come to our partner with full team to Indojalito business. first thing we were doing interview to gather information and identification of problem with Mr. Nafriza Effendi as the owner.
Saya di sini
His business started facing some problem after pandemic period. It is because the lack of method to know market need and also the lack of marketing method. And he was hoping that collaboration with Andalas University student can solve his problem.
Lebih luas lagi untuk meningkatkan pendapatan kami dan pendapatan masyarakat kami di sini selaku pengrajin.
After gathering and knowing the problem, we are going to discuss the most appropriate solution. After a long design, we introduced our solution, and our idea was the implementation of AI and AR-based smart apps. After the design was approved, we collected data as an application database, for example, of products sold and modified. The data in question such as product photos and product motifs. After the application was created, we did a live implementation to Indojalito business by installing the live application and guiding the usage.
Kepuasan pelanggan dengan layanan aplikasi.
The following are the result of testimonial of application implementation.
Smart Showroom is advanced sales application designed and created by students of Andalas University. The application is divided into two user types, sellers and buyer. Here are the interface and features for the seller application. First, the seller can log in or sign up. Then, the seller is directed to the homepage to sell a product categorized. The seller can add product by uploading photo of the item to be sold. The seller can also upload photo using artificial intelligence, and then the seller can add product names and description. The seller can also add order motif to application database using artificial intelligence. Sellers and buyer can communicate through the chat feature. In the seller application, sales insight can be viewed. Here are the interface and feature for the buyer application. First, the buyer login or sign up. And then, the application display product categorized on the homepage. Buyer can sell a product and read review. Buyer can upload photo to simulate product on the photo using artificial intelligence. Or, buyer can also simulate in real time using augmented reality. If satisfied, the buyer can proceed to payment. Buyer can also discuss and communicate with sellers through the chat feature. Buyer can also edit their profile and view their purchase histories. As a partner, you can scan or take picture of the product and then upload them for sale. As a buyer, you can use AR to see a real-time simulation of the product. And AI feature let you upload a photo, and AI will show how the product look in the photo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, the Smart Showroom Songket team has reached the implementation stage. At this stage, the application is introduced and tested directly on Indojalito MSMEs. Let's continue to see our journey. Implementation is carried out for 1.5 months, including the introduction of mentoring and providing the guidebooks. Later, after 1.5 months, the results of the implementation are compared with the initial data on the partner situation, such as the number of customers, customer satisfaction, market reach, and so on. So, keep supporting our journey, Smart Showroom Songket team.